Thank you for your order and welcome to the Oberwerk family. In this video, we'll cover the basic operation of a binocular. We'll walk through the main adjustments, how to focus properly, mounting options, and a few comfort tips to help you get the best view. Some features vary by model, but the basic principles are the same. Main parts of the binocular. At the front are the objective lenses. At the back are the eyepieces. Depending on the model, you'll also find a center focus wheel, a diopter adjustment, adjustable eye cups, and a tripod mounting point. IPD adjustment. Let's adjust the IPD, or interpupillary distance. Most of our binoculars bend at the body hinge to move the eyepieces closer together or farther apart in order to match the eyepiece spacing to your own eye spacing. To find the perfect IPD setting for your eyes, view through the binocular at a distant target and flex the binocular hinge until you notice the sweet spot of one well-merged circle in your peripheral vision. Also note that the field stops will be somewhat out of focus when you're looking at a distant target, so simply look for a well-merged fuzzy circle in your peripheral vision. For binoculars with a built-in mount, there is one extra step. Temporarily loosen the large knob on the top of the vertical mount post. If this knob is tight, the left side of the binocular won't move when bending at the hinge, so only the right side will swing up or down. Loosening the knob will allow both sides to swing up and down evenly. Once the IPD is set, retighten the knob securely. Eye cups and eye relief adjustment. Eye cups help position your eyes at the correct distance from the eyepieces. This is critical for getting a full field of view and avoiding any blackouts or shadows. If you don't wear glasses, you'll usually want the eye cups extended. If you do wear glasses, you'll usually want them retracted. Some binoculars use foldable rubber eye cups. These can be folded down for use with glasses or left up for use without glasses. Focusing. Center focus binoculars use a center focus wheel for everyday focusing, along with a right diopter adjustment to match the binocular to your eyes. Individual focus binoculars work differently, with each eyepiece focused separately. All center focus binoculars have an independent focus provision on the right side eyepiece. This is called the right diopter adjustment, and its purpose is to compensate for any difference between your eyes. This only needs to be set once and shouldn't need to be set again. To set the right diopter, look at a distant object. Gently close your right eye and use the center focus wheel to achieve sharp focus on that distant object using just your left eye. Now gently close your left eye, but use only the right diopter adjustment, not the center focus wheel, to achieve sharp focus for the right eye. The binocular is now set for your eyes, and only the center focus wheel is used for any change in focus going forward. Some models, such as the Sport Apo series, use a center diopter design. Instead of a traditional right side diopter, the diopter control is located in the center. The purpose is the same. It fine-tunes the binocular to your vision. Set the main focus first for your left eye, then use the center diopter to achieve sharp focus in your right eye. Once the diopter is set for your eyes, you shouldn't need to set it again. Individual focus models can be a little slower to focus than center focus models, but because each eyepiece is directly attached to its own focuser, they're highly accurate and very accommodating for people with vision problems. The operation is simple. Gently close one eye, rotate the focuser for the open eye to obtain the sharpest focus, then repeat for the other eye. Mounting. For higher magnification binoculars or for long viewing sessions, mounting can make viewing much more stable and comfortable. A tripod or mount helps reduce image shake and makes it easier to observe fine detail. Many binoculars can be mounted using an L adapter. In between the objective tubes, you'll find a small cap. Remove that cap and you'll find threads to attach an L adapter. The adapter threads into the mounting point on the binocular and then attaches to a tripod. Make sure everything is secure, but do not over-tighten. The binocular should still be able to swing gently left and right on the L adapter. If the adapter is too tight, repeated IPD adjustments can eventually wear down the threads on both the binocular and the adapter. Some large binoculars that are too big for handheld use include a built-in mounting post. If your model has this feature, attach it securely and make sure the binocular is properly supported. Once mounted, it's important to check the balance point. A well-balanced binocular is easier to move and places less strain on the tripod head or mount. First, loosen the knob on top of the mounting post. Then adjust the position of the mounting post as needed so the binocular feels stable and controlled through its range of motion. Maintenance. While our binoculars are built to be as rugged as possible, they are still complex instruments and should be handled with care. Always use a neck strap to help prevent accidental drops. When traveling, it's best to fully retract the focuser, with the eyepieces as close as possible to the binocular body to help protect the focuser and ocular arms if the eyepiece end takes an impact. Try to avoid dirt and sand as much as possible. If the lenses become dirty, we recommend using a lens cleaning pen. First, use the retractable soft brush to remove any loose debris. Then, use the cleaning tip to remove anything remaining on the lens surfaces. Compressed air and a microfiber cloth can also be used when appropriate. Avoid household cleaning products, paper towels, or ordinary rags, as these can damage the optics. With just a few simple adjustments, you can get the best performance and comfort from your binocular. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on setup, mounting, and care. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out by phone or email. Thank you for being a part of the Oberwerk family.